Paysafecard to Revolut. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer money from Paysafecard to Revolut. So let's get started. First, launch the Revolut mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Next, navigate to the Add Money or Top Up section within the app. After that, select the option for adding funds via bank transfer. Then look for an option to add funds using your Paysafecard details. Some financial services may allow you to add funds from prepaid cards like Paysafecard via bank transfer. Then enter the amount of money you want to transfer from your Paysafecard to your Revolut account. Complete transfer. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer process. This may involve providing your Paysafecard details and confirming the transaction. After that, confirm your transfer, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the funds have been successfully added to your Revolut account. That's how you can easily transfer money from Paysafecard to Revolut.